Everyone, so here we will do the EIGRP lab. So I will write here EIGRP lab. In this one we will check EIGRP is doing the load balancing or not. So I will take this 2 router, we can say this is a 2 router, I will give the name as a R, and here I will take the slot, this one, and just I will save. Okay, so these are the 2 router I have. What I will do here, I will connect this cable. We will say this is the F0 by 0 is connecting to F0 by 0, F1 by 0 is connecting here, and here we will take loopback also. Let me write down here what IP schema I am going to use here. I am going to use this one 192.168.12.0, so that is nothing but 12.1 one side, other side we will use 12.2. so this one you have here, we are going to use this below, and the other link we will use here 21. So here I will use the 21, so let me take here 21, I will write here, and loopback we will use here. What I can do here, let me put here loopback, I will say like 2.2.2, I will take this /8. Okay, so let's do this lab. I will power on this router and we will do the configuration. And let's see here. So this router is ready. I will open the console of this router. So this is a console R1, and let me take the console of R2 also. I will take the console of R2, and now we can do the configuration. So initial configuration is simple, just assign the IP. So let me take that one. I will go here, I will change the name of the router here. Host name is R1. I will use the interface F0 by 0. I will assign the IP address 192.168.12.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and write here no shut. And then I have another interface F0 by 2, F0 by 1, and then here I will assign the IP 192.168.21.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and I will write no shut here. Okay, I done here, and now I can write router I will write here router EIGRP 1, and then I can write network 0.0.0. For lab purpose we can use this also, but don't use in the real world this one. Okay, I done this one. Let me do the similar configuration here. I will do, and then we will check here. So I will go here, I will assign the IP here, and host name is R2, and here I will write interface F1/0 here, and we need to assign the IP here. So here we have 192.168.21.2, give space 255.255.255.0, and write here no shut, and then we have interface F0 by 0. I will write IP address, let me write here IP address 192.168.12.2, give space 255.255.0, and we will write no shut. So I assign this IP, we will write router EIGRP 1, and I will put network 0.0.0, and also let me take one loopback also. Here I will write interface loopback 0. I will write IP address 2.2.2.2, give space 255.0.0. okay, I just assign the IP. So here we can check. I will write show IP interface brief. This IP we have here, you can see here, maybe you will do here some misconfiguration. 0 by 0 below 1 we are using 12 dot, so 12.2 for this one, 12.1 for this one, and here you can see F1 by 0, the above link you have 21.2 here, 21.2 here, here 21.1, here 21.2, and 2.2.2 we advertise here. And now we can check here show IP route. So here in R1 is not advertising anything, but let me go to R1 and we can check here. I will write here show IP route. Here you can see I am getting here both. You can see here I am getting the 2.0.0.0/8 here, and you can see I have the 2 path, and you can see here we have the 90. This is the AD value, and the metric we have same metric. That's why this both route is coming in the routing table. So here they are doing the equal cost load balancing. You can see the above link and the below link. They are using the both link for 2.2.2 here. So here we can say they are doing the equal cost load balancing in this lab. and you can see everything is good here, no issue, nothing, everything is working perfectly. And if you want to go to this 2 dot network, you can go via this interface, first one or the below one. Okay, both are connected here. So this lab we can say in EIGRP we done here equal cost load balancing.